Hello everybody and welcome to another episode. In today's episode I am going to show you how to replace and how to remove the center grill from any Audi A6 C7 out there. So in the previous video which I uploaded on my YouTube channel, I showed you all how to remove the front bumper on this car. Because if you don't remove the front bumper on this car, you won't be able to replace and remove the center grill from this bumper. So that being said, to remove the center grill from this bumper, what you have to do is to remove all of these screws from underneath the center grill. And as you can see, you'll have a lot of screws which are securing the center grill mounted to the bumper. You'll have to use a Torx 15 to remove all of these screws. This is the screws which was installed in my case on the bumper, but probably on your car, if the bumper grill has been replaced in the past, probably the screws will be different because in some cases they will get lost or the owner replace them and so on. But this is not a special case. So as you can see, you'll have to remove all of these screws which are securing the center grill mounted to the bumper, and then the bumper is holding the center grill with some clips. So you'll have to remove all of these clips. It's a little difficult to remove all of them, in special if you are alone, because in my case, as you can see, I'm alone and I have to push the plastic clips, and in the same time I have to pull from the center grill to make it come out from the bumper. But it's not impossible. Just follow what I'm doing, just look how I'm doing it, and eventually it will come out from its place. Also, don't forget to disconnect the parking sensors. For example, my car has parking sensors and I'll have to disconnect them from the center grill because I'll have to remove the center grill. But when I'm going to install the new one, I'll have to install back the parking sensors in the exact same place. So also, probably your car will also have parking sensors and you'll have to disconnect them, and you'll have to do this thing on your car too. Okay everybody, so as you can see, the center grill from this car is removed, it's out of the bumper, and this is how it's looking. And as you can see, those are all the plastic clips which are securing the center grill mounted to the front bumper, and you'll have to push all of these plastic clips, you'll have to push them inside until they will pop out from its place. So as you can see right here, this is the old center grill which I removed from this bumper. And this one right here is the new center grill which I'm going to install back on the car. This is brand new. This one cost me about 150 euros and is looking like this. It's in a perfect condition. It's black and it's also very shiny. So this is what the owners like. In my case, I'm going to install this one back on the front bumper. You'll have to push them back into its place and you'll have to put the screw behind it. And that's it. Thank you for watching. If you like this video and found it informative, please leave a like and a comment down below. See you next time.